Good morning, students. Welcome to your GK and aptitude class. And today we will start GK chapter number 11, First Females of India. Innumerable Indian females have contributed to the development of the nation and welfare of mankind. They served the nation enthusiastically. So, females also have contributed to the development of the nation as well as welfare of the mankind. So what we have to do here is we have to write the correct letter in the square in column A from column B. Okay, let us see. First one is the first Indian woman president of United Nations General Assembly. Okay, the answer will be C number. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. So what you will write here? C. Number 2. The first Indian woman chief minister of an Indian state. The first Indian woman chief minister of an Indian state will be Sucheta Kriplani. That is number A. You will write A. Okay. The first Indian woman high court judge. The first Indian woman high court judge is number D. That is Anna Chandi. Okay. You will write D here. The first Indian woman Chief Justice of the High Court is Laila Seth. That is B number. You will write here. The first Indian woman Air Vice Marshal E. That is P. Bandhopadhyay. Okay. The first Indian woman IPS officer is G number Kiran Bedi. Okay. Number 7. The first Indian woman to receive Ashok Chakra. The first Indian woman to receive Ashok Chakra. Number 7 is Nirja Bhanot. Number 7 is Nirja Bhanot I. You will write I here. Number 8. The first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize. First Indian woman to receive the Nobel Prize is Mother Teresa. That is number F. You will write F here. Number 9. The first Indian woman to receive the Bharat Ratna. That is number H. Indira Gandhi. You will write H here. Number 10. The first Indian woman to cross the English Channel is Aarti Saha. That is K. Okay. The first Indian woman to receive Jnanpith Award is Asapurna Devi. Number J you will write here. Okay. So here we complete our chapter number 11. First females of India who have contributed to the development of the nation and welfare of mankind. Okay. Now let us start chapter number 12. Social workers of India. Okay, who were the social workers of India? Let us see. Identify the social workers and write their names. Take the help from help box. So, help box is given. Names are given here. Okay. So, let us see. She is best recognized as the founding member of famous Narmada Bachao Andolan, a movement to save the rivers and people of Gujarat. So she is recognized as the founding member of the famous Narmada Bachao Andolan, a movement to save the rivers and the people of Gujarat. So the answer is Medha Patkar. Okay, Medha Patkar. Next is, she was attacked by acid in 2005 at the age of 15 by a 32-year-old man who advances she had rejected. Whose advantage she had rejected. She received a 2014 International Woman of Courage Award by US. Okay. So who is she? She is Lakshmi Agarwal. Okay. She is Lakshmi Agarwal. Next is, he was known particularly for his work for the rehabilitation and empowerment of poor people suffering from leprosy. Okay, who is this person? This person is Baba Amte. Next is, he was awarded the Padma Bhushan by Indian government in 1992 for his efforts in establishing his village as a model for others. Okay, who is this person? Anna Hazare. Okay, next see, she is the founder of Mami Dipudi Venkatarangaya Foundation. She was the first chairperson of National Commission for Protection of the Child Rights Act 2005. Okay, so who is she? She is Santha Sinha. Santha Sinha. He co-founded a non-profit organization, Professional Assistant for Development Action, that is Pradhan, of which he was the executive director till 2007. Who is this person? This person is Deep Joshi. Next is, a fervent campaigner against child labor, is the second Indian winner of the Nobel Peace Prize after Mother Teresa. He is the founder of the Bachpan. Okay, who is this person? This person is Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, next, she became blind very shortly after the birth due to retinal disease. She founded the Jyotirgamaya Foundation in July 2012, which empowers the blind in all spheres of life. Who is she? She is Tripani Barar. Okay, she is Tripani Barar. So, here we end our chapter number 12 also. In the next video, we will complete chapter number 13 and 14. Till then, you write down the answers and learn them. Okay. So, take care children. Bye and thank you.